your son is now in active politics. Do you want to see your son as a mayor or as a next MLA also?
To tell you honestly, I'm sure that Rohit will be MLA of some constituency next time.
You are very sure about it.
I'm sure about it.
Yeah.
I'm confident.
Yeah. Because I think it is his wish also.
It is his wish because ultimately it is people who will decide. But he will go into.
But you are confident that he will be the MLA in 27.
I'm confident.
Do you have any constituency in mind?
Let us see. There are so many constituencies. No? There are 40 constituencies.
But I think there will be this will be a constituency in Tiswadi.
No, see, ultimately these things also what was happen. See, he will be in a party. Okay, he will abide by what party says. But my wish is that he should contest next
assembly election.
Assembly election. Now where it is going to be and all, it will be party will decide.
But your choice will be a constituency in Tiswadi.
Tiswadi, of course.
Certainly.
Tiswadi.
Yeah. You're taking me there, but you're not going to tell me the name of the constituency.
No, that's the reason what I said. No, it is a party. Now tomorrow party will say 3 tickets, how you get. That is the thing. But ultimately you must count on the winnability part of it also.
Yeah. So you're taking it to Tiswadi and leaving it there right now.